Summer sun. Isn't it fantastic? Do you know what's better than summer sun? Winter sun. October, Greek retreat. We had 5 days of absolutely brilliant sunshine last year in Greece, and we're going again in October. I've only got 5 spaces left. That's 5 spaces left. So if you want to join us on our Greek Pilates retreat, click the link and join us. It's a small deposit and then 3 monthly installments, and you'll be with us in Greece. Every villa has its own infinity pool, private kitchen, balcony, looking out over the Ionian Sea. But the real beauty of the Greek retreat is that it has an exclusive studio looking out over the sea. It is incredible. So if you want to join me, please do. We've got 5 spaces left. Take care.